So what's going on, guys? So guess you don't know where we're at right now. So I surprised Amber. It is Mother's Day today. In case you don't remember or don't know, this is our third Mother's Day.
Second.
Third.
No,
Third. Because we lost our baby 3 years ago. We still celebrate Mother's Day, but a little bit differently. So for Mother's Day, I got Amber annual passes to Universal.
So now it's Disney, Universal, and anything else, I guess.
But we're on our way to ticketing. Gotta pick them up, and then we'll go into the park. So we'll see you guys later.
Nice. It's official. We have a lanyard now. See? Whoa. Excited, Brian?
I am.
We get to ride Fast and Furious, and then we get to go to the secret place of Harry Potter, because we never knew that existed a few years back. So we're excited about that.
I'm pretty excited too. Amber,
Multi-pass.
your first ride, it feels like we're on Wayne's World. Anyway, your first ride is going to be Spider-Man. How does it make you feel?
Over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc Ock on the loose. This could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shade.
On a nice, quiet place, away from the people. I don't know how often it's going to be like this. It is a Sunday, but it's over here by the comics. The bathrooms are over here. There's a store here, and there's a churro cart over here. But it's a nice little sit-down area, garden. You can just sit down and relax and just chill. I mean, it's a little loud with the music, but it's not bad. The backside of water.
The backside of water. It's wonderful. See? It's right there.
Oh, there's actually a lizard right there.
These are my cousins. There it is. The backside of water. Guys, if you're in the first row, you get wet.
No.
Drenched.
Yes. Look at your glasses. They
It
are.
was so fun though. I like this. See, my shirt says it. Look at Brian.
I was like, I'm not happy.
Look at how wet he is.
Like, the backside, it's all dry.
I'm so happy the side is open and that we have passes again.
They did change it though.
Yeah, it's like, I know it's steeper.
It's like
It's a
more
lot
wetter.
So much better, I love it.
I'm not happy. I'm just kidding. It's fun. So Amber got a butter beer, frozen butter beer.
My first time trying
First time having it.
I was gonna try it, but I didn't because the line was long. Let's see.
I don't know. Your face kind of said otherwise.
Taste it. It's like butterscotch.
That has a weird taste.
It's butterscotch.
Yeah. It's like sipping on a drink that was like your grandpa's old candy.
No, I'm sure you stole the butterscotch candy from me.
I cannot confirm nor deny.
Here too, we should probably go check that out. Store over there. What the heck? How do we not know about this? We walked in and we're like, whoa. I don't even know what this is about.
I don't either.
Hi.
So do you have pockets? I do.
Yeah.
Alright, for the camera.
Alright guys, so we're leaving. We just got off that ride. It was so...
I don't even know what the name of the ride was.
It was so much fun though. So he was telling us, hey, there's a big drop here. Hey, there's this. Hey, there's that. He's like, do you want me to spoil it? I was like, yes, spoil it because we don't know what to expect. We were a little bit scared and nervous.
I had to hold Amber because she was scared.
No, we couldn't even reach the floor because we were in the
couldn't.
last row. So like, we didn't know what to expect.
But it was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
Archelian weeks.
Hold on, There here. Glad you made it through the Black Bar Florida tourism to be with us today.
So we just got off Men in Black. And Amber's on a losing streak.
I never won that. Like, I was ahead of him for a while and all of a sudden he got everything. But I got the bonus. And I still was like the lowest in the car.
I had 356 and Amber had 178.
Yeah.
So here's a question. We just got all done with Simpsons, right? Being that Disney owns Fox, do you think that they're going to tear down this whole thing?
will pay loyalty to Disney, leave a comment because we don't know what's happening.
Who knows?
I don't know.
I know there's a whole thing with Marvel too.
Maybe. We'll see.
I don't know. We'll see. Amber's in a hurry to go see Bumblebee. Yeah. So Amber's been really excited about riding this ride.
This is our first time again. So like this is our second first time getting like on this. That's it for tonight.
I'm not sure when we'll put this up, maybe in a couple weeks. But you'll find out when we put it up. But
it was fun. We did a lot of rides.
We lost count how many rides we rode.
Yeah, we used our express pass a lot. Sometimes worth it, sometimes not. So
yeah. So for our annual pass, after 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we get to ride express. Only once per ride, so but the wait times are pretty low too. So
yeah, so that helped out a lot. We did miss the show; it was a little bit busy, so we weren't able to this time. But we'll probably do it maybe next weekend or something.
Yeah.
When it's not too busy. Oh, you can see the fireworks. See? So that's the show right there.
So we'll see what happens next weekend. We'll continue to post. Make sure you subscribe, sign up for notifications, and
like the video.
Yeah, like the video.
And share with your friends. Because we want to do a really big giveaway hopefully soon. We're just waiting for the right time.
Exactly.
So like the more you like and the more you comment, then that lets us know, hey, we need to get more stuff for a bigger giveaway.
Oh, for Culture Bean, sorry I got distracted. Manchester United was on the big screen. Sorry. So go United. But anyway, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Okay guys, so
Holy
you
crap.
saw that we went to Voodoo Donuts last minute. We got 6 of them. I think they're a little bit messy. It's okay.
Yeah.
So there's dirt, there's triple chocolate, Fruit Loop, blueberry.
The chocolate, regular chocolate, chocolate old fashioned, and then they call it a triple chocolate. It has Cocoa Puffs on it.
So we're excited. We're probably gonna go pick something up to eat, and then we'll have that for dessert. We had to get 6 of them, so it'll probably last us a couple days. What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
See you guys later.